Hello grade 4, I hope you are fine. Today we will complete the second part of the first lesson, okay? 100,000. Today we will practice a lot. We will solve a lot of exercises. Let's see. The first type here is complete. Okay. Here. 56,000 equal how many thousand? If we have a question like this, how we answer or how we solve a question like this? Actually, you have to know that tens mean 1 0, 100 mean 2 zeros, 1,000 mean 3 zeros. Why? Because it helped me. Now here we have 1,000. 1,000 we said mean how many zeros? 3 zeros. So what about these 3 zeros? What I will do? If I have here here we have a side and here we have another side. We said before 1,000 mean what? Means 3 zeros. What I will do? I will put 3 zeros? No, I will cancel 3 zeros from the other side. What? If I have 1,000 in this side, I will cancel 3 zeros from the other side. If I have 100 here, I will cancel 2 zeros from here. If I have tens here, I will cancel 0 from here. So I have 1,000, so I will cancel how many zeros? 3 zeros. Then I will write this digit as it is, this number as it is. It's 56. So 56,000 equal what? Equal 56,000. The same thing. Another one. Here we have 280,000 equal how many hundreds? I need this number equal how many hundreds? This number equal how many hundreds? I don't know. But to answer it, you have to know that hundreds mean 2 zeros. So I will cancel 2 zeros from here. Here, 1,000 mean what? 1,000 means 3 zeros. So we cancel the 3 zeros. Hundreds mean what? 2 zeros. So I will cancel 2 zeros. Then I will write the rest. Here we have 2,800. So 280,000 equal 2,800. This part equals this part. Again, another type, another one. Now we have here 25,600 tenth. But tenth here in the same side. Tenth here where? In the same side. That means I will cancel 0? No. 1,000 here in the other side. 1,000 mean how many zeros? 3 zeros. So I will cancel from here 3 zeros. But here I don't have 3 zeros. What I will do? Here actually I have tens. Tens in the same time or in the same side. Tens here in the same side. So I will put tens mean 0. So I will put 0 here. So I will put what? 0 here. So tens mean what? 0. So I will put 0 beside this number. Okay, that's it. This is the meaning of tens. Then I have in the other side 1,000. And the 1,000 mean I have to cancel 3 zeros. So I will cancel now 3 zeros. So it will be what? It will be 256. So that's it. So 225,600 tens equal 256,000. This part equals this part now. I need both of them be equal. Now we have 300,000 and here we have 100. We said 1,000 in the same side. I will put the zeros beside this number here. So I will write it here again. So it will be 300 as it is. And the 1,000 means 3 zeros, so I will put 3 zeros. Equal what? Hundreds here mean what? 2 zeros, so I will cancel 2 zeros from here. And I will take this number and I will write it here. So it will be 3,000. That's it. So easy. If we have here 1,000, I will put 3 zeros. If I have from the other side 1,000, I will cancel 3 zeros. From other side 100, I will cancel 2 zeros. From the other side, tens, I will cancel 0. But if it has 1,000, tens, 100 in the same side, I will put it beside this number. here we have 55,000 equal how many hundreds? 1,000 means 3 zeros, and hundreds mean 2 zeros. So here we have 3 zeros, and here I will cancel 2 zeros, so it will be 550. That's it. Let's see. Another type of question. Both bigger than, both smaller than or greater than or equal. The first one here. Actually, to compare between two numbers, the first thing you will look at the number of digits. If here I will give you an example, okay? It's a whiteboard, okay? If I have here a number like this, here we have a number consists of how many digits? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 digits here. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6-digit number, but here we have 5-digit number. Number consists of 5 digits, but here number consists of 6. Without thinking, 6 digit bigger than or greater than 5 digit. Okay, this is about if we have a different number of digits. If we have the same number of digits, if we have number like this number consists of how many digits? 6-digit number. What about this? Now we have two numbers. Each number consists of how many digits? Consists of 6 digits. How I compare between these two numbers? The first thing I will look at the first number. The first number here, 4, but here 5. So which one is the greatest? 5. So this number biggest. If I have here 8, so this will be biggest. That's it. Okay. If I have a number like this, 3, 2, 1, and here 3, 2, 1. Here 500, here 521. Okay, now I have two numbers. Each number consists of what? Of 6 digits. And here I will look at the first number. Here 3 and here 3. So I will look at the next place value. Here 2 and here 2. So I will look at the next place value. Here 1 and here 1. Then the next place value 5 and 5. But here 2. Here what? 0. Which one is the greatest? 2. So this number greater than this number. That's it. This is the main idea of how to compare between two numbers. Okay, the first one here. If you count this, you will find here we have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both of them has the same number of digits. So I will start here. We have 2. Here we have 2. Here we have 3 and 3. 3 and 3. Here we have 4. Here we have what? 1. Which one is the greatest? 1 or 4? 4. So this number is greater than this number. The second one, here we have a number consists of how many digits? 6. Here we have a number consists of 5. So which one is the greatest without thinking? Here we have 5 digits, but here we have 6 digits. So 6 digits is bigger than or greater than the 5-digit number. Again, here we have 581,205, but here we have 85,205. So I need to convert this to the standard form, and then I will compare between them. 85,000. 1,000 here mean what? Mean I have 3 places after 85. Mean what? I have 3 places. In the first place here we have 205, so I will put 205. So now we have a number consists of 6-digit number and number consists of 5. So which one is the greatest? Of course, this. Let's see. Here we have 275,006, and here we have 275,600. Here 6. So I need to convert this to what? To the standard form, to the digit form. So 275,000. 1,000 mean after this I have 3 places. 100 after 1,000 I have 100, tens and units. But here I don't have anything in the hundreds place or in the tens. We have in the units only 6. So I will write 6. What about hundreds and tens? I will put zeros. So here we have 275 and 6, but here we have 275 and 600. Which one is the greatest? Of course, this is the greatest. Let's see another type. Here we have 7,500 hundreds, and here we have 750,000. It's confused me. What I will do? Here we said before, hundreds mean what? Mean 2 zeros. So I will put here 2 zeros. So I will write this number as it is, and I will replace this 100 with 2 zeros. Here we have what? 750 as it is, and I will replace this 1,000 with how many zeros? 3 zeros. Let's see. Now we have 750,000, and now we have 750,000. So they are what? The same. They are equal. I'm sorry. It's what? It's equal. Let's see another type of questions. Write the greatest and the smallest number that can be formed from these digits. Let's see. Here we have some digits, okay? And I need to form from these digits the greatest number and the smallest number. To form the greatest number from this digit, greatest number, so I will arrange these numbers descendingly. Descendingly mean what? I will arrange these digits from the greatest to the smallest. So I will arrange now the greatest number mean what? Descendingly, from the greatest to the smallest. What is the greatest digit here? 9. So I will write 9 then, the first. Then what? 8. Then what? 6. Then what? 5. 4. Then what? 3. So now I arrange them what? Descendingly. To form the smallest number, you have to arrange it what? Ascendingly. Ascendingly mean what? From the smallest to the greatest. What is the smallest digit? 3. So I will start with 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6, 8, and 9. The opposite of this. So the smallest number is the opposite of the greatest number. Here I will arrange the to form the greatest number, you have to arrange it descendingly. To form the smallest number, you have to arrange it ascendingly, from the smallest to the greatest. Another one. Here we have some digits, okay? We have repeated number actually. How come this? Okay. We can convert this to 8, okay? Let's make it 8. The greatest number. To form the greatest number, we need to what? To arrange this number descendingly from the greatest to the smallest. So it will be, if it's 7, so I will put 7 2 times 7, 7, no problem. But here, to be easy for you, I convert it to 8. So I will start with 8 because 8 is the greatest one. Here I need the greatest number, so I will start from the greatest digit. 8, then 7, then 6, then 3, 2, and 0. That's it. What about the smallest number? We have to arrange it ascendingly from the smallest. The smallest digit here is what? It's 0. Can I start with 0? Actually, I can't start with 0. Why? Because 0 at the left meaningless. So it will be a number consists of 5 digits, and I need a number consists of 6 digits. So I will see the next number after 0. What is the smallest number after 0 is what? 2. So I will start with 2, then I will write 0. Then I will complete. After 2 is what? 3. So I will write 3. Then 6. Then 7. And the last one, 8. That's it. So in the case of 0, what we will do when we form the smallest number, we can't write 0 first. 0 will be the second in the second place value. So we will see what is the smallest number after 0 and we will write it. And then we will write 0 in the second place value. And then we will complete our arrange. Here we have another type of question. Underline the number written in digit, which express the number written in words. So here we have the word form, and I will choose the standard form or the digit form. Let's see the first one. Here we have 278,000. So I will write as I read, as I write. 278. So it will be 278. What thousand? So what is the meaning of thousand? Thousand means after this I have 3 places. I have how many places? 3 places. Thousand. When you hear thousand, when you see this word thousand, that means we have 3 places after this. 3 places. Okay, in these 3 places we will write what? 628. So I will write in 106. 100. He said what? 600. So in the 100th place, 628. So I will write 28. Which one here? Actually, if you look here, you will find it's which one? The last one. So that's it. So as I read, as I write. The second one. Here we have 603, 603. That's it, 1,000. So 603. I will write it here above it. 603. That's the meaning of it. 1,000. What is the meaning of 1,000? I have 3 places now after this word 1,000. And 8. And 8. What about hundreds? There is no hundreds. What about tens? There is no tens. And 8. Only 8 mean what? 8 in the units. So I will write 8 in the units. What about this? I leave it? No, I will put zeros. So this is the meaning of 603 and 8. Which one? 603 and 8. That's it. So this is the correct answer. Let's see another one. Here, 179. 179. Okay. 1,000. When you see 1,000, you will do what? 3 places. You will write 3 places like this. And 12. What about hundreds? So I will write 12. What about hundreds, the place value? There is nothing, so I will put 0. So which one? Actually, this is the first one. So as we read, as we write. Now we know how to convert from the word forms to the standard form or the digit form and the opposite. And how we know how to what? And we know how to find the value and the place value of each digit. And this is the second part of our lesson. And I hope you are enjoyed. If you have any question, please write it in a comment. Thank you. Goodbye.